fun going off all day, making waves here at the Duck Dogs compound. Make sure as you're going around the fair, tell everyone else, hey, I got some high-flying dogs over there at the Blue and White Duck Dogs stand.